Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
Today we're going to show you the Universal Yums box for July. If you are not familiar with Universal Yums, it is a monthly snack box that will highlight a specific country each month. There are 3 sizes of boxes to choose from. The smallest is the Yum box. It is $16 a month and it will have 5 to 7 snacks in it. The second size is the Yum Yum box and it is $26 a month and it will have 10 to 12 snacks in it, and that is the size that we get. There is a larger size and it is the Super Yum box. It is $41 a month and it will have 15 to 18 snacks in it. The way it grows is the second box has what the first box has in it plus a few more, and the third box has what the first 2 boxes has in it plus a few more. The third box actually also comes with a drink. So we've been very happy with the middle box.
Until this month.
Until this month.
Well, I wanted all the snacks because we watched somebody unbox the full box.
Until this month. We have FOMO. We have fear of missing out on snacks. So that makes FOMOS. We'll see. Anyway, we didn't get the drink for this month. We didn't get some of the other snacks, so we're not quite sure which ones that we saw in the other video that we don't get. But from watching the video, we did get a heads up that this might have some spicy things in it. So we got milk just in case. This month's box is from India, which is really cool because Krista actually got to spend some time in India once upon a time.
Yes.
So let's take a look inside. You want to show?
Also, we get our pamphlet with information on India and a place where you can do the scorecard for your snacks and your stickers for the scorecard, which are always fun, and then your booklet with trivia about India and information and a trivia train. And then,
trivia train, how cute is that?
I know, and then information about some of the snacks that are in your box, and then a recipe, which this month is vegetable biryani, which sounds
really good,
and lots of other information, history about India. So really cool booklet and nutritional facts in the back.
So even though there's nutritional facts on the packages, it may or may not be in English depending on the manufacturing. But this is this month's box,
and it's a really packed full box.
It's really full.
So it looks like a lot of the snacks, a good portion of the ones I wanted to try are in here.
All right, so since you've been to India, you get to pick the first snack.
Let's do this one because it's colorful, and this is the mini samosa, and so we're gonna open it and see what they taste like.
What's the flavor of the samosa? Does it say?
Let's see. Stuffed Indian snack with moong, lentils, cashews, and raisins.
Ooh, lentils, cashews, and raisins. That sounds yummy. Ooh. Maybe it won't require a milk standby.
We'll see. So we'll get one out. Oh my gosh, smell the Indian spices. Oh my gosh.
It smells like an Indian restaurant. That smells amazing.
Yes.
Okay, we're going to give this one a try.
So those were delicious. They're good. The flavors and the seasonings from India were very strong in it.
Really true to an Indian restaurant, including the heat.
Yeah.
I'm going to drink some more milk.
They were right. This is spicy. And so the milk
is in the best possible way.
The best possible way.
It's so good. It's burning my mouth, but it's worth it.
Yes, it's burning the back of my tongue.
Yeah, back of my mouth, my throat is on fire.
Yeah, but it was very, very tasty.
Really, really good. It tastes really like, we have a really, really good Indian restaurant here in town, and this is very reminiscent of those flavors. Yeah. Very authentic.
Yeah.
We're going to try a sweet one next. This is Cremisa Truffles. Truffles looks like a chocolate-filled cookie. And, these are individually wrapped. And there's a few more in there. How many zip things in there?
Box of them, and there is 6 cookies inside.
6 cookies. We're going to share it. The middle is like a cream filling. It's like a chocolate cream filling. That was really good.
Yes, the chocolate was good. The cookie was very crumbly though, so it could fall apart while you're eating it. But that cream in the middle, very good.
Really good after the hot samosa.
Yes.
All right, what do you want to try next?
Carnitas Nacho Crisp Tikka Masala. So yum, yum, yum.
I love tikka masala.
Yes.
I always get it mild, which is always still hot. So we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. Oops. So
we're not going to have our own piece on this one. Oh,
Oh, the
my
flavor.
mouth is already burning smelling it.
Oh my goodness. The flavor.
That's the best corn chip ever.
You get the corn chip
It's
flavor.
really good corn flavor.
And then you get the tikka masala, and then the heat hits people.
Yep.
But
It's
it is worth it. Trust us.
It's so
worth
good.
it.
If you like a little heat in your life, but my philosophy on heat is I don't mind heat if it comes with flavor and it's worth it and I
Yeah.
can still taste my food after. This is heat. This is lingering heat. This is delicious heat, and it's not it's not killing your taste buds. It's just letting you know it's there, and it's really good.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna alternate back to a sweet thing. This is a Bisque Cafe, and this is a coffee cracker.
Ooh, a coffee cracker.
Yes, this says it is a refreshing, super thin coffee cracker.
That sounds yummy.
So let's see. There we go. Oh my gosh, there's a zillion of them. It's a bunch of
Little
little
thin
crackers. Refreshingly thin.
Refreshingly thin.
All right, let's see if we can get them out. They look like a club cracker.
They smell like coffee.
Oh, they do smell like
gosh.
coffee. All right, let's try
Mm.
it.
That's a good coffee
That's
flavor.
good. It's not crazy like tons of coffee, but
No.
it's enough to know that it's coffee flavor.
Yeah, exactly. And the smell is delicious. This is a nice little cracker snacky with
Tiny
your
bit sweet.
coffee.
Tiny bit sweet, really good.
Yes.
If you guys are enjoying this video so far, hit that subscribe button. It'll really help my channel out, and I would
Thumbs
appreciate
up.
it. Yeah, and like the channel, like the video. All right, what do we want to try next?
These are cute.
What is it?
So,
Fatake?
Patake Pudina Chili. Corn rice extruded snacks. And it has pictures of chili, and I'm guessing that's basil. So when it
Sounds
already
like a
has
hot
pictures
Cheeto.
of red chilies, it's
That's a clue.
a clue. And they're cute little shapes like that Cheetos.
Yeah, these are like just
Mm,
hot Cheetos.
that
I'm gonna
smells
split that
spicy.
one just in case. We're gonna split. Okay, let's give it a try. What is that flavor?
Mint.
Oh,
Mint and chili.
it's mint. It's not basil.
No, that is mint, and boy,
Okay.
it is you get the mint,
Mhm.
and then all of a sudden, poof,
Yeah,
chili.
yeah. It's weird that the mint comes before the chili. It's
Yes.
kind of like the calm before the storm.
exactly. It's
It's
an
really good.
unusual flavor, but it's good.
It's really
together.
good. Yeah, I would never have put mint and
No,
chili together.
Mm-mm. I would eat mint a little later, but not with. But that was different.
Yeah, it's
And
really good. Okay, the next one is not a sweet snack, but it doesn't look like it might be hot either. So this says tangy tomato conies. So it looks like a tomato bugle. And this is from Star, is the brand.
So these are what the little tomato bugles look like.
They definitely look like a bugle. Really good. Let's try it out and see.
So far, the least spicy of all the snacks.
But good.
Like this one I could eat more of, but there's a slow heat coming. I may amend that.
Yeah, of course it might be residual heat from the previous
That's
thing.
true, because the other thing had a heat hit. Boom.
No, I think this has its own heat.
Yeah. I think everything has its own heat, but they all are like really good flavors.
Yeah.
Next, we have the
What is this?
Son
Poppy?
Papdi. It's an Indian sweet, a blend of roasted wheat flour and chickpea flour with natural cardamom.
Ooh.
So, yay, something with cardamom in it.
That sounds yummy.
Inside is a foil wrap package, so now we're going to cut into the foil wrap package.
In case anybody's wondering, we did not plan to wear the same color today. It's just what sisters do sometimes, and by the time we realized it, it was too late to change.
Yeah. So then it comes more packaged. It is very well packaged.
Wow.
And this is what it looks like inside.
Oh. Ooh.
So it's like a tray of little pieces. It's very flaky. Like the pieces are thick, but
It's very crumbly.
so we're just going
I'm
to
just gonna take it, grab what I can,
yeah.
and give it a try.
Well, it melts in your mouth like cotton candy.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's so lightweight. The package is heavy, but because it breaks off, and I mean, you see how thick it is. So I take a knife or something to maybe the first piece comes out. They all come out in pieces, but they're laid like. I wish you could see the tons of layers. in the one piece that
Oops.
in the corner, and they're just like cotton candy when you put it in your mouth.
Yeah, and you can see all the pieces
And
to
it's
it.
very, very, very sugar sweet.
Mm-hmm.
And you can taste the cardamom, which is different flavor. I mean, you
Really
get it
good.
in some Indian dishes, but it's not something that we're prevalent with here in our American
I do
food.
not have cardamom in my spice cabinet.
No. So, but you can really taste that cardamom on the background. So that's definitely something
Very yummy.
that would go well with the heat. So take a little layer of that heat snack back and
Go
forth.
back and forth.
Exactly. So this is moong dal. What dal is an Indian soup made with lentils, like a stew. Instead, we get a little snack packet, and the pieces are going to be super tiny, so it may be a little hard to
Oh wow, they're teensy.
little teeny puffed up lentil pieces.
I don't know if that's even in focus, but let's give it a try.
Yeah.
That was good. It was crunchy. I kind of expected it to be like a Rice Krispie kind of crispy, but it's actually crunchy. It's got a crunch to it.
And
It's
you
really
can-
yummy.
Yeah, and you can definitely taste the good lentil flavor in it.
Mm-hmm.
So that is actually really
That's
nice.
really good. This is making me want to go to that Indian restaurant this weekend. That was really good.
It was.
Our last thing is our yum bag. Not every box has a yum bag. The last few haven't. A yum bag is just if the country that is being highlighted has small candies, they will include a baggie of them. And we're going to see what kinds we have in here. The first thing is chocolate flavored. It's called an eclair candy. What does it say about this one?
It's just a clear chocolate flavor, chew caramel with a chocolatey center.
So chocolate caramel. So the inside is definitely the chocolate caramel-y looking stuff. So we're going to give it a try.
And this is what this center looks like. That was good.
Mhm.
A good caramel flavor, a little bit of chocolate. It was super chewy, but not like
It was almost like a little bit like a Kraft caramel square,
yeah,
but not quite that sticky.
right. But
Okay.
but it was a good flavor. And then we have
There's another one that is the same kind of candy,
this
but a
is the
different flavor.
cardamom flavored one.
Okay, so this one's a cardamom flavored of the same thing, so it should be caramel around the outside and cardamom in the center. It looks the same on the outside.
And then you can see a little bit of green for the cardamom in the centers. I don't know about you, but I like the cardamom flavor in the colors more than I like it in the tub of
It's stronger.
flavor.
Mm-hmm.
But I like it better than the flaky sweet, whatever that was.
The flaky sweet thing is just a weird general texture, and it's really sweet, so it's kind of hard to wrap your head around it. This is more familiar, and I do like
Yeah.
it better as well.
And the cardamom's really nice with the caramel.
And the cardamom is really yummy. I like that one.
And then we have
Oh.
mango candies, which I was hoping we would get this. It has a cute little smiley face mango on there. And of course it's orange like a mango.
I'm gonna let Krista be the only one that tries this one, so because probably we'll all let her have these because she likes mango so much. So what was it like?
It's definitely a good hard candy, and that mango flavor was delicious. So yeah, that is good, and I'll probably get all of them.
She will. we're gonna be nice and let her have all the mango ones. That was a fun box. Like you could really taste India in these flavors.
Yes.
You can flavors that are unique to India, the smells that are unique to India, and this box captured that very well.
Yes.
I liked it. If you would also like to subscribe to Yumbox and check out the different countries that you can be enjoying each month, I'll leave a link for you below. If you did enjoy the video and would like to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future content. For now, I want to thank you for joining me on Beth Unboxes, and from Beth and Krista, have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.